Hi, and welcome to another episode of Caleb's Trains. Today's episode is going to be short and sweet and to the point. We just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a safe and happy New Year. It's Christmas Eve. Tomorrow is a big day, huh?
Big day.
Yep, the big man comes through tonight, doesn't he?
And that big man is named Santa.
Santa comes through tonight.
Yes.
So hopefully everyone is on the nice list and gets lots of trains and whatever it is that
You put on your list.
that you put on your list. We're very thankful for our subscribers. Without them, we wouldn't be making videos. No. So anyway.
We would just be running trains and just watching them ourselves.
Yeah, pretty much. Which is alright too. I don't mind doing that.
Me neither.
Yeah, I just like running trains.
Me too. And I like when we make the videos too.
It's fun.
It is.
Yeah.
What he said.
So anyway, everyone, I hope you have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And we're just going to run the Polar Express because it's the Christmas train. And again, hope everyone has an awesome, awesome, awesome holiday. And Merry Christmas from me and Caleb. Anything else you want to say?
Don't get underwear and socks for Christmas.
Unless you ask for them.
Yeah.
And then we hope you get underwear and socks for Christmas.
Only unless you ask for them.
Right. If you didn't ask for them, then let's hope you don't open up your presents and get underwear and socks. Right?
Right.
What are you going to do if you get underwear and socks?
I probably just throw them in the trash can and never wear them.
Why?
Because I don't like underwear and socks.
Well, for Christmas, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So anyway, you're a goofball. Anyway, Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish
Oh
you a
my
Merry
God.
Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And happy railroading as always.
Happy railroading.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.